everyone, I'm back for my final project for Kitaholic Kits for the month of June, and this is just a quick one, which is good for me because if you have heard the last few weeks worth of videos, I'm filming this all in the same night, and I'm very unwell, and I'm going a little bit delulu, to be honest. So I'm not really making a lot of sense, and I'm going on weird tangents, and I imagine that this particular voiceover will be exactly the same because I'm in the middle of doing just that. Talking about the layout for a second, this is the layout that I was going to, this is the photo that I was going to use for my second layout, but then I changed my mind. So I really wanted to go, bam, focus on the photo, similar to what I did with my first layout this month. And I love that rainbow paper. It's my favorite paper in the kit, and so I really wanted to showcase that. So I'm just creating a little strip, and I created a bit of texture and distressing, and then I'm just doing a giant cluster and layering, yes, that's the word, layering a lot of these labels that we got in the label kit behind my photo. And then I'm going to add some flowers. And even though it's busy, I feel like because it's got that strip of white, it just reins it in and it looks like really pretty. I'm really liking all the layouts that I did with this kit this month. Usually there's one or two that I'm like, it's not my favorite, but I'll live with it. But yeah, I like all of them this month, and I'm like, oh, look at me go. I'm proud of my own work. I haven't created in a long time. That's probably got something to do with it. Oh, sorry. I do botch it a little bit at the end. You'll see it at the end. Like, I wanted to outline it with some ink, and then I did that, but then I stuffed it up, and then I forgot that the ink is not a water-based ink, and so I went in with the dirty watercolor brush, and I added blue to the border. It looks fine. It looks good enough for me to have not freaked out about it and like ripped up the whole layout and redo it. But it would have been nice if it also was not that. This is a sheet that we got from Kitaholic Kits a few months ago. Oh, that was Baby's hand. Did you see it? She's sitting on my lap here. So you'll notice that I'm doing a lot of things with like one hand because she's sitting on my lap because she was crying. Yeah, so I don't remember what I was saying, if I'm completely honest, so I'm just going to keep going. I needed like a tiny phrase sticker. We didn't have any in this kit, so I'm just going into my stash, and I got that little tiny phrase sticker there, just to like, for the title to sit on, because it's Justin's birthday photo. Did I mention that? I don't know. Is this layout done? Please be done. I'm so tired. Doing my journaling, doing the botching it with Baby's help, as you can tell. And then, oh yeah, this is the thing. It looks fine. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Anyway, guys, I'm done. I'm so tired. I'm going to go to bed now. I'll see you all next month for some more videos, and I am certainly hopeful that it will be a bit easier than this. Bye.